Hi, students. I just want to practice saying some of the sentences here. So let's say the receptionist asks you, tell me about your symptoms. And you're going to say, I have a headache and maybe a sore throat. Repeat, I have a headache and a sore throat. She might ask, how long have you had it? And you can say, I have had it for 2 days. I have had it for 2 days. You could say, it happened today. It happened today. Allergies, do you have any? So you can say, yes, I am allergic to peanuts. Yes, I am allergic to peanuts. Okay. Are you taking any medication? Yes, I am taking diabetes medication. Yes, I am taking diabetes medication. What's the problem? I have a sprained ankle. I have a sprained ankle. Oh, how long ago did this happen? It happened today. It happened today. How did it happen? Oh, I was walking on the ice and I slipped and fell. Do you have any allergies? No, I don't. Are you taking any medication? No, I am not. No, I'm not. What's the problem? I have a terrible stomach ache. Terrible stomach ache. And I'm very constipated. Constipated. How long have you had it? So I have had it for 1 day. I have had it for 1 day. Do you have any allergies? Yes, I am allergic to penicillin. Yes, I'm allergic to penicillin. Are you taking any medication? No, no, I'm not. No, I'm not. And what's the problem? I have a backache and it really hurts. How long have you had it? I have had it for 4 days. Do you have any allergies? No, I don't. No, I don't. Are you taking any medication? Yes, I am taking high blood pressure medication. I am taking high blood pressure medication. Okay, and so now I'm just going to go to the next slide. Okay, and here is the next slide. So I'll just make it bigger. Okay, so we're here on this one. So what's the problem? I have an earache. I have an earache. How long have you had it? I have had it for 2 days. I have had it for 2 days. Do you have any allergies? Yes, I am allergic to eggs. Yes, I am allergic to eggs. Are you taking any medication? Yes, I am taking high cholesterol medication. What's the problem? I have a fever. I have a fever. How long? I have had it for 1 day. I have had it for 1 day. What medication are you taking? I am taking heart medication. I am taking heart medication. Heart medication. So now the problem is I have a sore throat. I have a sore throat and I'm very itchy. How long have you had it? I have had it for 5 days. I have had it for 5 days. Do you have any allergies? No, I don't. Are you taking medication? Yes, I am taking iron pills. Yes, I am taking iron pills. And now your problem is a sore knee. I have a sore knee and my back hurts. How long have you had it? I have had it for 2 weeks. Or you could say, I have had it since last week, maybe. Do you have any allergies? No, I don't. Are you on any medication? No, I'm not on medication, but I take vitamins. No, I'm not on medication, but I take vitamins. Okay, so that's the end.